On Wednesday, the officials in Spain and Portugal announced that around 32 cases of monkeypox have been detected days after the United Kingdom reported new cases that have triggered concerns that there is a possibility of undetected transmission in parts of Europe. Portugal has confirmed 5 cases and there are 20 suspected cases in the country. Spain, on the other hand, has reported 8 suspected cases and UK has reported 7 confirmed infections till Wednesday. The World Health Organization said on Tuesday that it is coordinating with UK, where cases have been found in those without a travel history to Africa, to investigate the outbreak. The virus typically has an incubation period of 6 to 13 days and leads to fever, headache, backache, a general feeling of discomfort, muscle ache, swollen lymph nodes, rash, and exhaustion. In a horrifying incident that took place on Thursday, the police reported that 3 labourers were killed and 11 got injured when a truck ran over them on the Kundli-Manesar Palwal KMP expressway near the Asoda Toll Plaza in Jhajar's Bahadurgarh area. 18 labourers who were engaged by a private contractor for road repair work were sleeping on the roadside when the coal-laden truck ran over them, killing 3 of them on the spot. 11 of them were rushed to the civil hospital in Bahadurgarh. Jhajjar Deputy Commissioner Captain Shakti Singh said the search for the truck driver is on and the investigations are underway. In a judgment passed by the Supreme Court on Thursday, the court reiterated the importance of cooperative federalism for the well-being of democracy and held that the union and state legislatures have equal, simultaneous and unique powers to make laws on the goods and service tax, and that the recommendations of the GST Council are not binding on them. The court's decision came while confirming a Gujarat High Court order that the centre cannot levy integrated goods and service tax on ocean freight from Indian importers. The court further said that though the central government has a large share of power in certain cases to prevent chaos and provide security, the state government also possesses power. The Supreme Court has awarded a 1-year jail term to cricketer turned comedian turned politician Navjot Singh Sidhu in a 1988 road rage case. The former Punjab Congress chief will be taken into custody. The maximum possible punishment under IPC Section 323 has been awarded to Sidhu. The politician was let off with a fine of ₹1,000 earlier. The Supreme Court allowed the review of its May 2018 order providing relief to Sidhu in the 1988 case, wherein Patiala resident Gurnam Singh succumbed to his injuries. Soon after, the top court announced its verdict against Sidhu, the former Punjab Congress chief. Sidhu, on the other hand, has said that he will submit to the majesty of law.